Hello, my friends. Today we are going to talk about multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So, yesterday we talked about unit fractions and what they mean. So, we're going to take that to the next level. And we're going to talk about multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So, I'm going to start with the whole number 3. And I'm going to multiply it by the fraction 2/3. So, I'm going to start with a quick visual on this for you so you can see what it looks like. I know 2/3 looks like this. Shade in 2 out of 3 parts. I'm going to do that 3 times. So if you think about this drawing that I just did, this 3 represents 1, 2, 3, and the 2/3 represents the 2 out of the 3 each time. When we multiply like this, we keep our denominator the same. So I know my answer is still going to have a 3 on the bottom for thirds. Now I'm going to count out how many parts I have. I'm going to figure out my numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is 6/3. Now, yes, that is an improper fraction, and we are going to have to convert it to a mixed number, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I want to show you something else we can do. We can also look at this fraction and think in our heads, well, my only job is to multiply the whole number by the numerator and keep the denominator the same. So this actually looks like this: 3 times 2 over 3. And if we do that, we end up with the same answer. 3 times 2 is 6, and we keep our denominator the same, 6/3. All right, let's get back to the idea that that's an improper fraction. I know that this is an improper fraction. There's a whole bunch of different ways I can figure out how to make it proper, but I like doing my drawings the most. So I'm going to just forget about this drawing up here and do a new drawing for 6/3. My whole is 3, and I have 6 of them. I'm going to draw 2 pictures. If I need to draw more, I will. So let's count out 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't need to draw another picture. And I have 1, 2 wholes. So if I convert 6/3 to a mixed number, it ends up just being the whole number 2. And that is my answer. All right, let's try another one. Okay, the next problem I'm going to give you is 5 times 1/4. All right, so this time I'm going to start with the second strategy I used last time, and we'll do the picture strategy after that. So I'm going to take my whole number and my numerator and multiply them. 5 times 1 over, I'm going to keep the denominator the same. Okay, so 5 times 1 equals 5, and we keep our 4 the same, and we end up with 5/4. Now I could take this and I could draw a picture of it again. Okay, think about what 1/4 looks like. That's what 1/4 looks like. So I need that 5 times. All right, so that would be 1/4 5 times, and once again I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/4. And our answer is the same. All right, so now I need to think about converting this improper fraction. Make sure you know that's a 5 there. This improper fraction into a mixed number. So I'm going to do a different strategy this time. I know I can get one group of 4 out of 5. If I skip count by 4, 4, 8, 12. Whoa, I'm already over 5. I can only get one group of 4. So my whole number is 1. And then if I take that and see what I have left over, that I subtract the one group of 4, I have 1 remaining. So that's going to be my numerator, and my denominator is going to be 4 again. A visual of that would be drawing 2 groups of 4 and drawing in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see I have 1 whole and I have 1/4. And again, that gives me 1 and 1/4. So that is our answer. Let's try one more problem. Let's try 4 and 3/5. I'm sorry, 4 times 3/5. Okay, and we'll do this one a little bit more quickly. If you think you can do it on your own, pause the video first and then check back and see after you finish. Okay, so I'm going to do 4 times 3 over the number 5 because we don't change our denominator, which gives us 12/5. If you drew a picture, you would have to draw a picture of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now shade in 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. I'd have to draw that 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one more. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's count how many parts are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives us the same numerator, and we keep our denominator the same, 12/5. Now we need to turn that improper fraction into a mixed number. All right, so I'm going to skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15. Oh, I've passed 12. So I can get 2 groups of 5 out of 12. I only get up to the number 10, so I'm going to take that 12 and subtract 10 and see what I have left over. Oh, I have 2 left over. So that's my new numerator, and my denominator is 5. And the answer to that problem is 2 and 2/5. If you need any help while you are working on your Google form today, just come back to this video and try it again. And good luck with all your work. Please feel free to refer back to videos from previous lessons if you get stuck on converting these improper fractions into mixed numbers.